Thanks for watching the training video for the Owner Portal instructions. This video will show you how to use your Rentvine portal. Let's get started. This is your main screen of the Owner Portal. You will see the section where you can manage your payments and make a contribution or enter in a saved payment method for future use. You can always get with the property manager to set up your ACH account and it will populate here. You will see a section for all your bills letting you know any unpaid bills due. You will also notice the work order section showing you all your pending, open, and closed work orders. The current balance card you see here will show you your operating balance, reserve amounts, additional reserve amounts, and any open work order estimates. You can also view the ledger from here as well. The final card will show you all the notes entered in the system. They are stored here. The first tab you will see on your Owner Portal is the Live Ledger tab. If you do not see this tab, the property manager has not set up that option for your portal. You can connect with them and they can change the settings to show you the live ledger. The ledger will show you in real time the increases and decreases from your properties and the running balance as well. You can always use the filters at the top of the page to narrow any search you need. Next, you will see in your Rentvine Owner Portal is all of the properties that are owned by you and being managed by the property manager. You can click on each property to view more details about your property. Inside the property, you will be able to view the Details tab. This will show you the details, address, property type, etc., the rental details, and any notes that your property manager has shared with you. In the Marketing tab, you will be able to see the marketing information for your property. This includes contacts, utilities, and marketing documents. In here, you will also see if your property has been listed for rent. The next tab will be Work Orders, where you can see any of the work order for this property that the property manager has shared with you. You can click on an individual work order to view the work order details, and this will take you to the Work Orders tab. Please note that you may not see the Work Orders tab if it is disabled or there are no work orders shared with you by your property manager. In the Bills tab, you will be able to see all of the bill for this property. You can click on each one to view the individual details. When you click on a bill, you can also view files that are attached to them, if any, if you click on the Files tab. Please note that you may not see the Bills tab if it is disabled or there are no bills shared with you by your property manager. In the Documents tab, you will be able to see all of the files that your property manager has shared with you that are related to the property. You are able to pull up the rent roll report right from your portal. You can easily click on a unit for more details and view the lease info and move-in dates, the current balance, any deposits held, and the balance. You are able to print this report if needed by hitting the Print button here. In the Statement tab, you will be able to see every single statement packet that your property manager has posted to your portal. You can click on an individual statement packet to view the details and view the files within it. To filter your statements, you can click the green Actions button and click Filter Statements. You can also download all of the files within the statement packet by clicking the blue Download Files button on the right of the packet. If you click on a specific statement packet, you will be able to view the owner statement and any files or reports that your property manager has included in the packet. You can also click on the blue Download File to download individual files. Please note that you will need to contact your property manager if you would like specific reports added to your statement. In the Documents tab, you will be able to view any files that your property manager has shared with you. In here, you can also upload files that you have by clicking the perforated box and uploading them from your files. To download files, you can click the blue Download button on the right of the file. You can also view the file by clicking the blue hyperlink under the title column. The Bills tab. Please note that you may not see the Bills tab if it is disabled by your property manager. The Bills tab will show you all of the bills that have been shared by your property manager. It will also show the amount of these that are paid or if the bill is not paid and how much is owed. You can click on the bill to view more details about the bill. You will be able to see who the payee is when the bill was created, when it is due, and the individual itemized charges. If you click on the Files tab within this Details page, you will be able to see the invoice and/or any other files related to the bill. You can also click on the individual file to view it or click Download to download it directly. Please note this might not always be the case, and there may be no files within here. The Work Orders tab. Please note that you may not see the Work Orders tab if it is disabled by your property manager. The Work Orders tab will show any work orders that the property manager has shared with you. In the main page, you will be able to see all of the work orders, for what property they are for, the vendor, status, priority, and the date created. If you click on an individual work order, it will give you a breakdown of the details of the work order. You will be able to see things like a breakdown of the set dates for the work order, more specific vendor details, any notes shared with you, and any attached bills. Next, you will see the Estimates tab. This tab will show you all your pending approval estimates, approved estimates, or rejected estimates. Everything estimate related will be stored here. The Payments tab. In the Payments tab, you will be able to see your distribution method. You can see how distributions will be currently sent. You can update this by clicking the Edit button and adding new information. The Edit button will not appear if your property manager has disabled the ability to modify your distribution method. In this section, you can also make a contribution to your account in Rentvine. If your property manager ever needs funds from you, this spot in your portal is the way to send it. You will have the option to make a contribution from a saved payment method that you have set up, an e-check payment using your account and routing number, or a credit/debit card. You will just need to select the desired tab at the top, fill out all of the information, make sure you turn the toggle on to agree to the terms and conditions, then submit the payment. This will go straight to your property manager to allocate the funds correctly. Please note that if you choose to make a contribution via a credit/debit card, there will be a non-refundable 4% processing fee. In that same area, you can also create a saved payment method. Doing this will save all of your payment information, so if you ever need to send a contribution in the future, you can do so quickly. The Chat tab. Your Chat tab is used for communication with your property manager. This functionality just uses the portal. Your property manager can send you a chat message, and you will receive a text or email notification that a chat was sent to you, and you can click on that to view and respond to it within your portal. The final tab is your Settings tab. Here you will be able to access your owner statement without having to log on to your portal. If this is toggled on, then you will receive a notification with a link that will bring you directly to your owner statement. If this is off, then the link will bring you to your owner portal to log in and view the statement. Please note, if you have multiple portfolios or have access to another portal, you will be able to switch between those by hitting the ellipses by your name and selecting Switch Portfolios or Switch Portals. View the screenshot for details. Remember, just register in the system one time with your email you would like to use, and then any other portal invitations you receive, you will not have to register again. Just hit the Sign In button to view. As always, if you have any questions, please contact the property manager, and they will be able to guide you in the right direction, or you can send us a support ticket. We are always glad to help.